friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea. Today I'm going to show you how to make my garlic black bean sauce. Black bean sauce, for those who aren't familiar, is a Chinese sauce that is one of the most versatile sauces in Chinese cooking. The star ingredient in black bean sauce is in fact not even black beans. It's black soybeans that have been fermented with salt. They taste very salty with a hint of sweetness, and they smell very pungent, like very strong soy sauce. The strong flavor typically pairs well with garlic, ginger, and chilies. I like using my own garlic black bean sauce because, for one thing, I can control the quality of the ingredients. Two, I can control the amount of aromatics, and trust me, there are a lot. And lastly, there are no preservatives and less sugar than the store-bought version, which means it'll be a fresher and healthier version than the store-bought one. All right, to start, soak 3 tablespoons of fermented black beans in water while you prepare your other ingredients. Next, mince 8 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, and 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger. Set aside. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine or sake, and 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. Depending on the amount of heat you can handle, you can use more or less chilies. Today I'm using 2, which will provide my sauce with a small amount of heat. If you can handle your spice, you can definitely use more chilies. Take your chilies and slice them lengthwise, starting just below the top of the chili. This will make it easier to remove the chilies later on. Rinse your soaked black beans under water. You can either mash them with a fork until your desired texture or leave them as is. In a wok or pan, warm 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and your chilies over medium-low heat. Stir them occasionally. When the chilies have darkened in color, remove them and their seeds from the oil. Turn the heat to medium and add the garlic, ginger, and shallots. Saute until fragrant and then add the black beans and saute for another minute or 2. Next, add in the soy sauce mixture and simmer on low for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring constantly. Finally, remove the sauce from the wok or pan. You can use the sauce right away or let it cool. Once it's cooled, you can store it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. This recipe makes about a half cup of sauce. Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, leave a comment below on how it turned out and what you made with it. I'd love to know. If you liked my video, please click the like button and subscribe for more fun food ideas and different ways to use your newly prepared homemade garlic black bean sauce. Until next time, friends. Mwah!